Good morning. Welcome you all to our EduGuru channel for daily current affairs. Welcome back to EduGuru Daily Current Affairs. In today's session, we will discuss daily MCQ quiz, important national parks, cabinet ministers' portfolio and consistency. What is the name of NASA's first Mars helicopter that is given by a 17-year-old Indian origin girl, Vanisa Rupani? Answer: Ingenuity. Which team at the top spot in the ICC Test rankings released in May 2020? Answer: Australia. First position Australia, second position New Zealand, third position India with 114 points. Who is the author of the book Shivaji in South Block, the unwritten history of a proud pupil? Answer: Girish Kuber. When was the International Astronomy Day celebrated in spring in 2020? Answer: 2nd May. What is the rank of India among 117 nations in terms of budget, transparency and accountability according to Open Budget Survey? 53rd rank among 117 nations in Open Budget Survey. In India, Assam is the first rank for transparency open budget. The terracotta work of Gorakhpur and Kovilpatti Kadalai Mittai has got GI tag recently, along with Chakhao, the black rice of which Indian state? Answer: Manipur. This black rice of Manipur got GI tag. This terracotta work of Gorakhpur is of Uttar Pradesh state. Kovilpatti Kadalai Mittai is Tamil Nadu state. Which country will host the 2021 BWF World Championship? Answer: Huelva, Spain. We also know Glasgow, Scotland organized this year COP26. Nagoya, Japan 2026 Asian Games. Hangzhou, China 2022 Asian Games. Which country will host the 7th Commonwealth Youth Games in 2023? Answer: Trinidad and Tobago. It is going to happen in 2021, but due to clashes in Tokyo, Japan, Summer Olympics and 7th Commonwealth Youth Games, so Commonwealth Youth Games postponed to 2023. Tokyo, Japan, Summer Olympics 2020, but may happen in 2021 due to coronavirus pandemic. Paris, France 2024, Los Angeles, US 2028. Who has been selected for the Nikkei Asia's Prize 2020? Answer: Talappil Pradeep. He is IIT Madras professor, got selected for the Nikkei Asia's Prize. And Geeta Sen, she got Dan David Prize. Niti Kumar, she got Serb Excellence Award. Ruchika Tomar got Hemingway Award. Who launched Kisan Sabha app to connect farmers to supply chain and freight transportation management system? Answer CSIR, Scientific Industrial Research. Soyuz MS-15 has returned after the International Space Station's 62nd expedition with 3 members recently. Soyuz MS-15 is the spacecraft of which country? Answer Russia. It is spacecraft of Russia. The microwave sterilizer, which was developed by Pune-based Defense Institute of Advanced Technology to disintegrate coronavirus by heating. Answer Atulya. It is developed by Pune-based Defense Institute of Advanced Technology. The oil price of which country has recorded below $0 for the first time recently? Answer United States. National Board of Wildlife has allowed recently Dahing Patkai Elephant Reserve for coal mining. Where is it located? It is located in Assam. National Board of Wildlife given permission for coal mining. Which Indian Navratna Enterprises first time has started the production of coal under Coal Ministry? Answer Neyveli Lignite Corporation. That's all for today's current affairs. Let's move to the static GK. Important national parks: Manipur, Kebul Lamjau National Park, Sirohi National Park. Meghalaya, Balpakram National Park, Nokrek National Park. Mizoram, Murlen National Park, Phangpui Blue Mountain National Park. Odisha, Bhitarkanika National Park, Simlipal National Park. Rajasthan, Desert National Park, Keoladio National Park, Mount Abu National Park, Mukundra Hills National Park, Ranthambore National Park, Sariska Tiger Reserve. We will discuss some Cabinet Ministers of India, Cabinet Ministers, portfolio and consistency. Narendra Modi, Prime Minister, portfolio Ministry of Personnel, Public Grievances and Pensions, Department of Atomic Energy, Department of Space, all important policy issues and all other portfolios not allocated to any minister. Constituency Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh. Rajnath Singh, Ministry of Defense, is Defense Minister. Constituency Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh. Amit Shah, Ministry of Home Affairs. Constituency Gandhinagar, Gujarat. Nirmala Sitharaman, Ministry of Finance, Ministry of Corporate Affairs. She is Rajya Sabha MP from Karnataka. That's all for today's current affairs and GK. Thank you. Jai Hind. If you like this channel, then subscribe my channel for more updates. Please like, share, comment and subscribe EduGuru channel. Thank you all. Jai Hind.